Hi Beanbeauties, we're having another poolside unboxing. I'm squeezing one more out. It's 98 degrees out here, but I'm gonna push through for you, all right? So if you're interested in seeing what I have some peanuts and I have some Cracker Jacks. Just kidding, come back and see what else I have. You know the drill when we're doing on location, backyard on location. Dogs are running around, cats are running around, the hub's in the pool. So just don't mind them, okay? You're here for this kind of stuff. We're gonna start with these. This is the stuff, this is all I bought from the summer sale of Coach. That's it, that's all that enticed me, believe it or not, for the summer sale. And then these two are for the Peanuts drop. And that's it. That's all I've bought so far from Coach, the Coach's websites, outlet and retail. So far this summer, it's been a dry summer for me, believe it or not. Okay, so isn't that a song? Dry summer. Isn't that a song? He ain't answering. The Peanut Gallery isn't answering. Oh, no, it's not a song. What's a song? It's a cool summer. That's the song. Alrighty, so in here, I went for some SLGs. So I've got the Sage card case. It was something like 62. Oh, I can't tell you numbers because he's back there. I'll put it on the screen. Shh. We don't talk about shopping. No. Just what we saved. I saved like over $100 on this. Remember, you don't ask me that question. You just ask me how much I saved. Peanut Gallery. So I bought that quilted Quinn from the outlet about 6 months ago or so. Loved it, but I didn't have any sage accessories, although Simply Lady M says I do, so guess I'll find out when I start moving stuff around. But I bought this one, and this is the one she says we think that I already bought. So hello, I can't get demonetized here. So this is the zip around, the Essentials Zip Around. My favorite SLG from all the brands. Love it. Look how wide it opens. It fits a lot. I have so many colors. I need all the colors. This may be the second one. I don't know. May or may not be. I don't know. Let's see what's in this box. This right here, I don't know what it's called. I'll put it on the screen. But this is a new one to me. I don't know if Coach has this or not before, but I like this. It's nice and flat, so it works with my small bags. It has a slot here where you can put some dollar bills or you can put your card cases. Back here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots. 5 slots, and it has a zip. It goes down, so you don't have any problems with getting money caught or anything like that. I used to not like the side zips, but I've learned to be careful with them. That's what it looks like on the inside. And I thought I saw the card here. Yes. Oh, this is the New York zip, so it's a new one. The only thing about this is the zipper pull is small, and that's a little hard, so sometimes I have trouble with the smaller zippers, but I like it overall so far. And I got the wristlet. Y'all know how much I love the wristlets. And since this is from the retail, strap comes off. When you buy the wristlets from the outlet, the strap does not come off. So I really like it, but this comes off. But I love the price from the outlet and the designs. But I like the Sage, and I wanted something to go in my quilted Quinn. I think it'll fit in there. I'll have to do a what fits. And then it has 2 card slots back here, and you can put lots of stuff in there. thrifty. Like you can put the little card case in there. You can put this little card case in here. And then I can just toss all of this together in a bag. Alrighty, let's get to the peanuts. When the Coach's peanuts dropped, I was there, and I really wanted to get the wristlet, but the prices were pretty steep, and I was like, well, the first thing that came up for me was the Linus charm, but it kept saying that it was out of stock, and it kept just kind of clocking and clocking, so I was waiting and waiting. I got out, went back in, and when I went back in, the bag that I got came up. So I did purchase the bag right away because I was afraid by that time that it was going to sell out, and it didn't. I think it's still on there. But this one is a charm, and they never came online. Oh, if I opened it from the right spot, y'all. This is a charm, but I had to hunt it down with the help of Simply Lady M. She called around, told me a place in where she lives. I called them. They were sold out, but she looked and she said they had them in California. So I called the California outlet, and she was super, super nice and sent it out to me the next day. But I had to have this. This charm actually was a good price. I got the Charlie Brown charm, and it's kind of a family hero of ours. It is. It's a family hero of ours. I call the men in my family my husband, my son, my grandson, and even my father-in-law at one time, Charlie Brown. It's a family thing. So I hunted this down because it never really hit the websites where I saw. So I had to go hunt it down, but it is very, very nice. I love it. It's the flat one. They call it the flat charms, and back here it says Coach's X Peanuts. Okay, and finally, for this unboxing, I hate these. There's a handbag in here, y'all. Let's hope that it is in good condition. I do not like when they send a handbag in these. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. I don't like it. I do not have this silhouette in my collection. I've been wanting one, and this is probably not, it's a novelty bag, you know, it's peanuts, so I don't know if I will use it as much as a regular one, but I definitely think to make it a fun summer. Try not to let all the wrapping fly away. And guess what? It's the Charlie Brown Teri, right? It's the Teri shoulder bag. And so what I liked about it is it has Charlie Brown here, and then it has him falling down over here, you know, after he kicks the football. And Lucy always tells him, okay, Charlie Brown, and she every time pulls the football away. So I thought that was really cute. And it has the shoulder, the strap. What I really liked about this collection is the tags. You get the two tags. You get the Coach tag, and you get the one that says Charlie Brown. So I really, really liked that. Let's see if I can put this together. I'm trying to beat the sun, y'all. It's the sunset. We got a late start today. I've been kind of dragging. It's been a little, starting to get the rough time of year for me. I had to change had a change in my medication, so that always puts a damper on how when I saw this silhouette, I got it, like I said, right away. It was the only bag that had shown up right away. So I stuck it in the cart and I checked out, and it was a long time before anything else dropped on the website for me. Then when they all did finally drop, the square one, the rectangular one, I forgot what that one was called, dropped. And I was like, ooh, would I want that one better? And it was a cheaper price. But once I started inspecting it, I was like, nope, I like this one, because that one had a black and white outline and this had the color, and I liked the color. The color looks really, really good. So here's what it looks like with the shoulder, just the short shoulder. I don't know if it'll fit me. Actually, it's okay. It goes on there, it fits, but it'll slide off. So if I carry it this way, I will add a short extender chain. You know, I have an extended shoulder extenders in my collection. Let's see what the inside looks like. Ooh, the inside's very nice. Look at that. Look at that. It's got it's like a canvas. It smells like leather. Canvas inside. But definitely like that. Let me stick this stuff back in here. Let's see how the zipper is. Oh, very nice. Okay. Looks cute. Still looks cute. And here is the strap. I've never had this before, so I don't know how the crossbody is on here, if it'll fit me. We're going to find out. It feels short, y'all. So we'll see. Okay. Oh, I think it's gonna fit perfect. Let me get up. Yes, look at that. Very cute. Very cute. So I can leave it like this. I might try to put a silver chain on it for decorations, and then have that in the back. Oh, I really like that. Look, oh, and it actually matches what I'm wearing today. I really like the animation on here, because the animation, especially back here, it has lots of movement. They just did really well. And it shows up, the stitching shows up against the yellow. Very well done. This pebble grain is super soft, y'all. Super, super soft. And I love the charm. Let's see, where will we put the charm? Over here where the other tags are, or to balance it out? No, probably over here to balance it out. Yeah, there we go. That's so cute. So I have these two peanuts, and I have the wristlet, the Essentials card, and the two card cases. Alrighty, that's my little mini haul for today. Thanks for coming by, Bean Beauties. Don't forget, leave me some peanuts down in the comment box to let me know you stayed to the end, and let me know you've hung out with me. Love y'all. Bye-bye.